Hello, this is Cynthia Fick, and this is the January 16th stock market update. So last week I told you that I would go back and finish off the rest of 2023, just a recap of 2023, and I'm going to do that. So again, where we left off was that we were kind of due, a little overdue for a pullback. And so we most definitely got it, as you can see on this chart. So I left off last time with June 2023 saying that, we were kind of went pretty far, pretty fast, and they were kind of due for a pullback. It turned into more of a correction, and that is defined by a 10% drop in the S&P 500. And this was brought on because interest rates all of a sudden started going up kind of close to 5% out of the blue. And just the market's concern over, are they really going to start lowering interest rates next year? Seemed to find some footing in here, and then had a really strong end of the year, November and December. So you can see overall, we had a pretty good 2023. You look at January, here we are in January 2023. And yes, it was up and down, very volatile, but finished really strong for the full year. So what is 2024 going to look like? We have let's see, let me show you the bigger picture chart on that. And this goes back to 2004. And you can see that, just looking at the charts, that we're really just back to where we were on the S&P 500 at the end of 2021. So, we had a great year, went up, really strong this whole year, but we're really just back up to the old highs. And when do things really start to happen in the stock market? It's when we go back up to the old highs. Look at this. There's a pullback in 2020, came back up to the old high, and then the market took off. Same thing here. Pulled back, came up to the old high, and the market took off. That's just how the market works. And again, we started buying some in here, and we're kind of nicely poised if the market does continue to go up. So I think we're going to have a strong 2024. The soft landing looks like it's happening. The economy is doing pretty well. Employment's doing really well. Corporate profits are doing really well. Interest rates have come down, and it looks like the Federal Reserve thinks they have, kind of ended inflation here and may even start lowering interest rates sometime soon. So if interest rates start coming down, or they start lowering interest rates this year, it's not because they're afraid we're going to have a recession, but because having higher rates did its job, and now it's time to naturally let them come down. So I would think that would add together for a really nice 2024. And that's what I'm projecting at this point. And historically, an election year has been pretty good for the stock market also, because the powers that be, the parties that are in place, want to help hold up the stock market also, to make everybody feel like things are going well. So interesting year ahead, and I'll update you every week as usual. Hope you have a great week, and we will talk to you next Tuesday. Bye.